definitely the first thing an Insta Baddie definitely needs is a fake self-tan. Alright, and we're tan. So next is hair. Now, I hate doing my hair. Insta Baddie is probably going to have perfectly styled hair. We're going to cut and dye my hair at home. We're gonna do a wig, so let's get that going. So I got this wig off Amazon. Now, I've looked into how to apply or install a wig. I'm not installing a wig, I'm just putting the wig on. I don't really care for this to stay all day. This is just for the gram. Cute. Now I'm sweating. Now, next is makeup. So let's get into the makeup.
Instagram style.
So next, what we should do as an Insta Baddie is to have our nails done. I currently do not have my nails done. They are short. Hi. My nails are currently short and I should have Insta Baddie nails. So first I need to size these up and decide what kind of design I want to do, because there's a few of these bejeweled ones. There's this chrome, like multi-chrome, I don't know what that's called. What's that called? You know what I'm talking about. It's like that shiny, like multi-chrome, whatever, I don't know. And then there's matte pink. So I gotta size them up to my fingers. Okay, so I have them all sized out. Now I'm gonna put them on. Okay, so nails are done. Okay, so the next thing is outfits. So Instagram baddies love their biker shorts, their chunky sneakers, and literally anything pretty little thing, I guess. So I put together some trendy outfits that you probably find on Instagram. So let's try these on. I just ate Domino's, which is probably a really bad idea. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. Regular tube top, crop top situation with some mom jeans and some chunky sneakers. And I personally wouldn't feel comfortable wearing this out in public, but I see stuff like this all the time on Instagram. Alright, so I'm gonna try to snap some photos now. With this position that I always see Instagram models in, the problem I'm having are these rolls on the side. Do they just not have them, or do they Photoshop them away? Like, that's not cute.
I can't breathe.
Is that what you guys do the whole time? Just hold your breath? Let's do the next outfit. Okay, so this is outfit number 2. Excuse me. This is outfit number 2, and again with the chunky sneakers with this. This is a pretty little thing outfit. I was pretty disappointed with what I bought. These are really thin material. It's definitely Instagram model-esque, I think. These shorts are way easier to do the Instagram pose in the mirror. So much easier to do it in this. Now I know why everybody wears these. You have flexibility in these. With this outfit, I forgot to put on the belt bag, which is definitely something I see all the time on Instagram. So let's try to take some pictures with the belt now. Okay, so this one was supposed to be like that blazer with the skirt, like boss babe type thing with these booties like this. This one, I'm not really a huge fan of it. Definitely wouldn't wear this out. But I feel like I've seen something like this on Instagram for sure. That was me attempting to turn myself into an Insta Baddie. I do have to say, being an Instagram baddie is not easy. Now, I am in no way making fun of anyone who does this for a living, posting Instagram posts and posing for the camera and whatever, because honestly, it's really not an easy job, especially when you're getting these comments that are rolling in that are maybe not so positive. And you know, I really respect anyone that does this for a living. Okay, so that was me attempting to turn myself into an Instagram baddie. Did I succeed? Probably not. If you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Give this video a like, and please subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So that was me turning myself into an Instagram baddie, doing it for the gram. Oh my god. So next I actually want to, wait, what? Okay. Anyways, let's cut to the, what's it called?